Hey, this is Aaron out at Clear Creek RV. Today we're going to go through the Alliance Paradigm 380 MP. All right, let's check out the storage under this trailer. Huge pass-through storage, enough room for anything that you may want to bring along. Another access port here, nice and easy to get to everything. One of the cool features on the Alliance products, I can control my awnings and my slide from the outside, not only the inside, but from the outside. So if I'm a little bit close to a tree or a building, I can watch that as it slides, that awning comes out, so make sure I don't hit it. And this Paradigm features the newest Curt suspension. Not only is the gooseneck suspended, if we go all the way to the back of the trailer, the suspension on the trailer actually features coilover springs and shocks to give this trailer the smoothest ride possible, to not only make it a great pulling trailer, but to have the least amount of shock to the trailer itself. All right, let's check out the inside of this Paradigm. Check out this huge island in the middle with solid surface counters. We've got huge pantry space over here, residential size appliances everywhere. Again, lots of counter space for everything that you need. Check out the dinette over here. It has a little bit of a secret. Not only is it a dinette, it doubles as a desk, so we can switch it around 90 degrees and you can look out the window while you work. And in the living room, we have theater seating with power recliners, and then we have a sofa on the end, which will then convert into a full-size bed as well. This living room does have a little secret though. Check it out. A little bit of hidden storage. How do you beat that? But don't forget about the entire entertainment center here. Huge TV, fireplace, it's a 5,000 BTU electric heater, and of course that JBL sound. And this trailer has an extra room. We have a mid-bunk in here. Not only can it be a spare bedroom, but it also doubles as an office. TV, counter space, we have the couch that slides out into a bed, and if you need a little extra sleeping, it's just as easy as letting that second bed down. Now you have room for all the kids. And this one has an extra bunk space above the mid-bunk. Just pull our stairs out, crawl on up, and you've got extra sleeping space for everybody. And this Paradigm has a huge bedroom up front, king-size bed, dresser, tons of closet space with washer and dryer prep, and a little bit of hidden storage right here just to keep all your valuables out of sight and out of mind. And then conveniently right next to the bedroom is our bathroom, huge shower with a bench, stainless steel sink, and plenty of storage. Thanks for coming with me through the Alliance Paradigm 380 MP. If you want to see it in person, come down and see me at Clear Creek RVs.